prefer to teach my dialect, which is the Palestinian dialects or Levantine dialects in general. I've been teaching for 4 years now, and I enjoy it very much more than standard and other dialects. And I prefer to teach my dialect and my accent to the foreigners, the advanced foreigners or advanced levels. It gives me more confidence to teach them about my country, my traditional and my customs, and it's very nice to share with my advanced students about my country and about my accent and everything where I come from.
We study Arabic together. She's a very great teacher. We always have a lot of fun, while at the same time I've been learning a lot and improving my Arabic a lot. I would definitely recommend you guys study with her, and I wish you a good day.
I'm enjoying it a lot. This is the third course I'm taking. First it was only textbooks and first Fossa and then another one. But now I'm sticking with this one because I've been challenged to speak a lot, which I really enjoy, and it helps me to really practice the language and start using it. So I can recommend everybody to start as well.
And I'm looking forward to you to joining my classes here in Palestine or online.